and today I'm here with an outside video. Yeah, I haven't been outside ever. Well, a couple, like 2 YouTube videos. Yeah, actually a couple. Actually at my house, but yeah, let's get started with this. This is a Skyball video. This is Skyball. I'm just really high, and I'm not sure what we can do. Yeah. Yeah, this ball goes really high. Especially for power. Yeah, I'm kind of bored, so I just made a blog. And I upgraded my YouTube channel to Bowser. So, yeah. See you guys next video. And wow was a Bowser's. Yeah, buddy.